Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop convection ovens available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end premium pick, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M French Door Convection Oven. This is our budget pick, coming in at just $124.99, but it's packed with features for its price. With a massive 45-liter capacity, this oven is perfect for large families or meal preppers. It can fit up to 18 slices of toast, 2 12-inch pizzas, or even a 7-pound turkey. The standout feature here is the French dual-door design, which lets you open one or both doors independently, saving precious counter space. The build quality is surprisingly solid for its price. The stainless steel frame and tempered glass doors give it a premium feel, while the 4 control knobs offer a simple, manual experience. Performance-wise, the convection feature ensures even heat distribution, and the rotisserie function is a game-changer for roasting meats. However, the manual controls might feel outdated for tech-savvy users, and it lacks digital presets. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, this is a great pick. Pros include its spacious design, affordable price, and versatility. On the downside, it's a bit bulky and lacks advanced features like a digital display. Overall, the Elite Gourmet ETO 4510M is an excellent choice for those who need a reliable, no-frills countertop oven. Coming in at number 4 is the Toshiba AC25CEWBS, a versatile 10-in-1 convection toaster oven. Priced at $135.25, it offers an excellent balance of features and affordability. This oven comes with 10 cooking functions, including toast, bake, broil, pizza, cookies, and rotisserie, making it a true all-in-one appliance. With a capacity of 25 liters, it's large enough to handle 6 slices of toast, a 4-pound chicken, or an 11-inch pizza. The design is sleek and modern, with black stainless steel that looks great on any countertop. It's equipped with simple knob controls and a high-contrast LCD display, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Performance-wise, the 1500W output ensures fast and consistent cooking, and the convection setting is perfect for even heat distribution. While it doesn't have a dedicated air fryer mode, it's great for baking and roasting. The included accessories, such as the rotisserie kit and baking pan, add even more value. The pros here are its versatility, robust build, and ease of use. However, it's slightly less powerful compared to higher-end models, and the knobs may feel less precise than digital controls. Still, for its price, the Toshiba AC25CEWBS delivers impressive value and functionality. Taking the third spot is the Emerald Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This oven, priced at $199.99, combines style with functionality. With 25 cooking presets, it covers everything from baking and toasting to roasting and air frying. Its 26-quart capacity is ideal for families, capable of fitting a 12-inch pizza or a 6-pound chicken. The French door design is both elegant and practical, allowing you to open the oven with a single pull. The digital control panel is intuitive and offers precise settings, while the dual-speed fan ensures even air circulation for perfectly crisp results. It also includes 7 accessories, such as a rotisserie kit and air fry basket, making it one of the most versatile options on this list. However, it's slightly heavier and takes up more counter space, so keep that in mind. Pros include its large capacity, advanced digital controls, and wide range of presets. On the downside, it's a bit pricey and may not fit smaller kitchens. If you're looking for a stylish, feature-packed oven, the Emerald Lagasse model is a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the Breville BOV900 BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is a high-end model designed for those who demand the best. With 13 cooking functions, including air fry, dehydrate, and slow cook, this oven is incredibly versatile. The extra-large capacity can handle a 14-pound turkey, making it perfect for big families or entertaining guests. What sets this model apart is its Element IQ system, which uses smart algorithms to direct heat precisely where it's needed. The build quality is exceptional, with a brushed stainless steel finish and a bright LCD display. The 2-speed convection fan ensures fast and even cooking, while the interior oven light makes it easy to monitor your food. It's a bit on the expensive side, and the price may vary, but the performance justifies the cost. Pros include its advanced cooking technology, spacious interior, and premium build quality. The only downside is its higher price and larger footprint. If you want cutting-edge performance and don't mind the investment, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the one to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven with Grill, model TOA 70. This premium option is priced at $216.62 and offers an unbeatable combination of features, performance, and design. With 8 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, and grill, this oven is perfect for a wide range of culinary tasks. It can toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, or roast a 4-pound chicken. The design is sleek and compact, making it a great fit for most countertops. The adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer, and toast shade selector provide excellent control over your cooking. The Air Advantage technology ensures fast and crispy results, locking in flavor and texture. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the non-stick interior and included accessories, like the air fry basket and reversible grill/griddle. The pros here are its versatility, compact design, and superior air frying performance. On the downside, it's slightly smaller than some competitors, which may limit its capacity for larger meals. However, for its price, build quality, and performance, the Cuisinart TOA 70 is our top pick for countertop convection ovens in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.